calcium hydroxide, we've got formula there, Ca brackets OH close brackets twice. So calcium hydroxide solid reacts with hydrochloric acid, HCl, to make calcium chloride, CaCl2, a solution, and water. Write a balanced symbol equation including state symbols for this reaction. Okay, so we've got a lot of the symbols here, so we just simply need to use them. So the reactants, calcium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid. So these are going to go on the left. The reactants go on the left. So this is going to be our formula for calcium hydroxide. We're given it, so we can simply copy it down. For the higher tier, you would be expected to be able to work this out, actually. So calcium hydroxide, and this says solid. Okay, so the state symbol for solid is S. And it's a lowercase s, not a capital S. Reacts with hydrochloric acids. So again, you're expected to know really for foundation and higher the formula of all the common acids. It's been very generous and given you the formula of hydrochloric acid there. Now, all acids are solutions. They're acidic because in water they liberate high quantities of hydrogen ions, so they have to be with water. Okay, so the symbol for solutions is aqueous. Again, lowercase a, lowercase q. All state symbols are lowercase. It's going to make calcium chloride. So again, you're given the formula of calcium chloride. For the higher tier, you would certainly be expected to work that out, and possibly from the foundation tier, actually. Okay, but this tells you it's a solution. Okay, so solution, again, is dissolved in water. Solutions are liquid, are AQ. Okay, pure liquids like water would have an L after them. And solutions, always AQ, and water. Now, of course, you obviously need to know the formula of water. And water is a liquid, so that's got an L after it, a lowercase l. So there's my state symbols. Now we need to balance the equation. Okay, so 1 calcium here on this side, 1 calcium on that side. Hydrogens. 1 hydrogen in the brackets multiplied by the 2 outside, and 1 hydrogen there, that makes 3. So we've got 3 hydrogens on the left, and on the right we've got 2. So there's not enough hydrogens on this side, so I'm going to need more hydrogens there. So there's an invisible number 1 before the water. Before that, I put the 2 in. What number comes after 1? 2 does. So I'm going to put 2 there. 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogens. Okay, so I now need 4 hydrogens this side. Well, if I increase the number there from a 1 to a 2, that would make 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogens, and that will make 5. That's not ideal, is it? That puts too many this side again. So let's just change this 1 before the HCl to a 2. So now I've got 2 hydrogens here, and 2 hydrogens here makes 4. So that works quite nicely if the cat's tail together way. So next up, so the hydrogens are now balanced. Are the oxygens. Let's go here and have a look at this. Oxygen in the brackets 1, okay, but multiplied by the 2 outside, so 2. I've got 1 oxygen in the water, but putting this 2 before it, put 2 oxygens there, so the oxygens are balanced as well. Last one, chlorines, HCl. So 1 chlorine there, but the 2 before it makes 2 chlorines, 2 chlorines there. That equation is now balanced. All these questions and more on elshramhighchemistry.com.